Hey there, looking to cancel your Xsport fitness membership? No problem. In this quick guide, I will walk you through the different ways you can do it, whether by phone, in person, or email. Let's get started. First of all, prefer to do it in person. No problem, visit your local Xsport fitness club and ask to speak with a membership representative who can assist with your cancellation. After that, another option is cancelling by email. Simply send your request to the Xsport customer service email, which you can find on their website. Make sure to include your full name and membership number. Email address is in the description box. And finally, cancel by phone. The cancellation process may depend on your contract status. If you need help, you can always call their customer support at phone number for assistance. Phone number is in the description. That's it. Canceling your Xsport membership is easy. No matter which option you choose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.